Hi, this is Sandy Brown of Real Smart Real Estate Training. I see you are going to or you have registered for the real estate or the mortgage brokers course. Once you have gone onto our website realestatetrainingbc.com and clicked into the info, then we will send you back an email with the user login information. You will get a password and a login name. But what you want to do is go to, and notice there's no www. So type in realestatetrainingbc.rollbook.com. That's realestatetrainingbc.rollbook.com. Type in your login and your password and hit the word login. Now when you first log in, you will have to change your password. That's for your own security. But for here, now look at you. This is where you can click on for all the law, and this is where you click on for all the math. So let's have a look at this. So you'll see all the different modules of the math are here. And after every module, there's a quiz. Module, quiz, module, quiz, right? And there's a UBC exam prep. So at the end, you want to get ready for the exam. There's a calculator review, a final exam, all sorts of information. But let's just click on, say, finding payment and end one of your modules, for example. Then this will come up and it'll be the slide. So let's just make this bigger. So you'll hear music, you'll hear me talking. I've just paused it, but you can click on any one of these and it'll just scroll through for you as you go. So you don't have to click on it, but you can go back and forth. Now you can jump ahead with the slider here or go back. That's the beauty of this. You can stop and start it as many times as you like. So once we have finished this module, right, then what you can do is you can go back and now you can try the quiz. So we're hitting the back button here and we're going to try the quiz now for finding payment and finding end. And this is good because this lets you know how you did, right? It's a surefire way to know if you know this particular module or not. So there's going to be typically a series of 10 questions. Now I'm just going to scroll through these and choose, you know, number 4 every time, not even looking at the questions or the answers, just to get through this to show you what this is going to be like. So I've entered in all my answers and I go, yep, there's 10. Then I go submit all. And it comes back and says, oh, I've got 40%. So I didn't pass. So let me review the quiz. And oh, I got number 1 right. Perfect. Let's go to question number 2. Oh, I got that right too. Let's go to 3. Well, isn't that funny? I've got that right too. But 4, I chose number 4. No, it wasn't. Number 1 was the correct answer. So it's kind of nice. You can scroll through and see what you got wrong and see what was right. So that's the nice thing about that. Now you can scroll back and go to the law portion of it. And make sure you read all this information here. It's good tips and tricks. So how to start the course again. Here's all the law, quiz, right? Everything there is for you. And the math is here as well. But we've just separated this. So let's just have a look at chapter number 1, because it's always good to start it in order. And again, now your video will come up. So you just wait a couple minutes and it'll come up. And we'll just make this a little bit bigger so you can see this.
Welcome to Real Smart Real Estate and Mortgage Brokers tutorials.
Again, it just goes through it. You don't have to click on it unless you want to. So you can go back and forth and jump around, or you can just hit this button and it'll play automatically for you. Again, forward, backward. All right, so that's a little bit about how to do the online course. And if you have any questions, you can always email me, sandy@realsmart.ca. But you have 90 days access to this, so take your time, but make sure you get this done and do the assignments after you've done each lesson. Like for example, chapters 1 and 2, go do your assignment and go do the questions on the ESG that pertain to those chapters, as well as work on the math. Good luck and keep in touch.